one I will tell you and subscribe my channel. Look, this is centy toys tata 407. That was written mini transporter group Z07. It was colored. This is a blue tata 407. It was white and orange tata 407. It was yellow tata 407. And this is a 3 colors in different. And you can. Okay, let's unbox it. See, I'm unboxed. This is the Tata 407. Look, I will take. It was written on quiz. It was written pullback action, and that ages 3. See, this is Tata 407. It can carry this. See, this is one, and this is a red driver named centy. This is a that was written centy mini transporters. Thank you.